Today we have something special, really special. I'm cooking homemade enchiladas from... Today I have something special. I'm cooking homemade enchiladas, and the beer of the day is Michelob Ultra. Tú sabes.
Hey everybody, how you doing? The chef right here.
That's my brother John. My family's here. I'm cooking enchiladas for them.
Hello.
All right. I have a nice dinner, enchiladas, some cheese, homemade sauce that I'm making. This is my first time making it, so I got to do a good job. Everything's gonna work perfect. So don't forget to subscribe, like, hit that notification bell, and thank you for watching. I'm so happy and excited. My family's here. Every time family comes over, I'm gonna cook. So let's do this. Are you ready? I'm ready. My beer? I think it's ready. What do you think? Tú sabes. Vanessa, solo más es. Hey, Mom.
Bravo, Mico. I love you. Tú sabes.
Ah!
Tú sabes.
Chulada.
Salud.
Salud. Tú sabes.
Tú sabes. Es Mico.
Let's cook.
Okay, I went to my favorite store, Albertsons, and I bought a roasted chicken. You can also get that chicken at Costco. That works. You're going to need some chicken broth. Tú sabes. You're going to need some Kobe Jack cheese. This is the amount I used. I used the whole thing. You're going to need all-purpose flour. You always need flour. Keep a bag with you all the time. You're going to need tortillas, Mission. Get the yellow ones. Those don't break. You're going to need a teaspoon of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of my favorite paprika, 2 tablespoons of Mazola canola oil. I hired an assistant, and my mom will be helping me. She's getting that chicken ready. Okay, so here's my 2 tablespoons of oil. So this is how you make your enchilada sauce. And then you add the 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Then you mix her up.
Tú sabes.
One fully mixed, then you start adding all your spices. To start off, it's the 1 teaspoon of onion powder, the 2 tablespoons of chili powder. One thing I did forget was the teaspoon of cumin. Add the cumin, it makes a difference. There goes my teaspoon of paprika. There's the cumin. So now it's time for a mixer-uppy. Make sure you mix it well. It's supposed to look like this. Of course, I forgot the garlic powder. Oh my God. This is my first time cooking the enchiladas, so bear with me. My mom's still going at it. I added 2.5 cups of chicken broth. It all depends how thick you want it. Mixer-uppy time. So while my mom and myself are cooking, you have my brother and my dad watching TV and just waiting for us to finish cooking. That's my brother John, positive forever. As you can see, my dad and my brother are wearing the hashtag Tú sabes caps. My family is always supporting me. Now look at this beautiful enchilada sauce. Oh my God. There's my mom. I don't think she knows that the cameras are watching. Oh yeah, she's eating our chicken. When you're cooking, you always have to taste the food.
Tú sabes.
So now my mom is going to start shredding the cheeser-uppie. While me and my mom are cooking, my brother is making us laugh. After all the co-workers and all the friends leave, the family's always there. Family first. While my mom is shredding the cheeser-uppie, I'm getting the tortillas ready. Tortillas. Get some hot oil. You only need 5 seconds on each side. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, missed it. My mom is still grating cheese and I still have a few tortillas to go. I think I got like a dozen, 12. Now it's time for roller-uppie. I should have put some cheese inside. These yellow tortillas, man, they roll up really good. So I got about 12 of them. Not bad. Now that I'm done rolling up all the enchiladas, now I'm going to add all the nice Kobe Jack cheese on top. Just like that. Oh yeah, cheeser-uppie. One thing I noticed was I didn't make enough sauce. Next time I'll just double the ingredients. That's it. But don't get me wrong, these enchiladas were awesome. Any food that's made from scratch, oh my god. Once I'm done with the sauce, I'm gonna put them in the oven for 20 minutes, 375 degrees, and the rest is history. A little bit more cheese, and 20 minutes later, look at this. Oh my god. You can add lettuce, you can add olives, you can add guacamole, you can add sour cream, you can add anything you want to these bad boys.
Tú sabes.
Not bad for my first time. Wow. Believe me, they were so good. I already ate them. Yes, this is a voiceover. Let me spoil it for you. They were awesome. Now my mom is going to show me how to cook the sopa de arroz or Spanish rice. Just having a good time with mom. You always have to make sure the food is good before everyone has a taste. This is our beautiful dog, Summer. She's camera shy. Putting a little sour cream on the enchiladas. The rice looks like it's almost there. Things are looking good. Now it's time to eat. Just look at my plate. It's still hot. This is the way you want to eat. Right out of the oven, freshly cooked, fresh ingredients, good company, family. Tú sabes.
My mom helped me cook the rice. It was phenomenal. Great time, family, good stuff, good food. What else do you want? Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, notification bell. Tú sabes. Sorry, I'm busy, I'm eating, I'm enjoying life with the family, having a good time. Tú sabes.
Tú sabes. Tú sabes.
This is my first time cooking the enchiladas. So good. Están bien buenas. Pura vida aquí. Thank you for your support. Don't forget to hit the like, notification bell, hit all the buttons, comment below, and don't forget to join the Tú Sabes Facebook community. Family first, baby. Thank you for the rice.
Tú sabes.